Hello everybody, welcome back to StarGirl Beauty channel. Like I told you last week, just with a blink, 1 week is past and boom, we're back to our weekly giveaway Friday drawing. So today we're going to draw out another awesome beauty subscriber. One of you is going to be very happy today. And I'm very happy every Friday because I get to ship out something to you guys that I know you're going to like because I get your messages. You're so excited, you're so happy. So it also really made me very happy. Alright, so let's do what we do last week. Keep it going because I don't want to make video too long, remember? So I'm going to show you 2 products in each basket and then I leave the difficult choice for you to make. Alright, so let's go straight in. Number 1 basket, okay? Basket number 1. So I want to show you, it's this travel size COSRX low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser. This is one of their best, all-time best seller, COSRX in the brand. And this is a foam cleanser that can regulate your pH level, not too exceeding, not too alkaline, and then it just put it back to the right level. And this foam cleanser I really like. I actually like this one a little bit better than my Mizon snail one that I showed you guys last week, just because this one is so mild. Even if I put it, because sometimes I'm very careless, I just put it all over my face and slather it all over. It won't hurt my eye. The snail one is a little bit stinky on my eyes. If I get it in, I have to like wash it out immediately. But this one, no problem. This one I really like it. I really highly recommend. And so now I agree with thousands of people out there. No wonder they love this product so much. And this is that pH low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser. I mean, because it's so mild, use it in the morning, because at nighttime, because you probably wear makeup, or after all day you have dust and dirt and oil and grease on your face, probably need a little bit something, maybe an exfoliating cleanser or whatever. But this one is just perfect for in the morning, because in the morning your face is not that dirty, right? So this one I love. Winner. And then the next thing, actually there are quite a few things in this basket that I want to show you, but I can only show you 2. Alright, so the second one I want to show you is this Too Faced little eyeshadow palette. It is really cute. I got it from Nordstrom Rack. But wait for it until you see the package. Ta-da! Look how cute it is. It's like, you know, Too Faced. I love Too Faced makeup. Their packaging is just like the cutest. You can't find anything cuter than that. But this is a Spun Sugar edition. It's those a Glamour to Go eyeshadow palette, but look what you get. You have a little mirror in there. Sorry, but I'll be very careful opening. I just want to show you. There's a little mirror up there, and then there is your eyeshadow. You have 8 eyeshadow in there, little one, okay? And these are beautiful shade, you know, they're natural. You can make very nice smoky eyes. And that's not it. On the bottom, let's see, there's something on the bottom. Yeah, so in the bottom you pull out, ta-da, look what's in the bottom, something else, right? So meaning you have eyeshadow, you have highlighter, you have bronzer, and you have a lip gloss. And I just love the packaging. Basket number 2, of course, I want to show you an eyeshadow palette, which is, ta-da, we're back. This is a Makeup Revolution Reloaded Passion for Color. Yes, how about that? Passion for color. Look at all those color in this palette. Look at it. Anything, blue, green, orange, rainbow color, anything you want. Yellow, orange, a teal, a purple, pink. Am I done? Yeah. The list goes on. Look at this, like 1, 2, 3, 8, how many? 18? Yeah, 15. 15 looks so colorful. Now, but if I were to use this, I don't know, can I just use this palette to complete a look for myself? I know a lot of you can, because you guys are very talented. I saw you guys use purple, pink, green, whatever color, even on your crease, but For me, yeah, I think we can still do that. We can use these, light-handed and use on the shade for people conservative like me. But other than that, just love this palette. So colorful. Good job. Passion for color. And then the next thing sitting in here is a Ulta Beauty house brand. This is a sponge. Now, I know everybody need one of these, and I love this thing because look at there is a stand for you, and then you don't have to worry about where do you make it, where do you put it on the table, gets dirty, that's the put it on whatever, it rolls down, not good. But if you have a stand, it's really handy. So it looks pretty too. This is a large sponge with a stand, super blender. It's a Ulta blender. Now I haven't tried their blender. My most favorite one you see in a couple of my videos that I'm blabbing about, it's the Tarte cosmetic one, but this I'm not sure, but you can try it out. Number three I want to show you. Okay, I want to show you this one. Basket number 3. It's your Mario Badescu. This is, again, it's a facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. They have 3 versions: cucumber, rose, and lavender. And this is also one of their best selling product in their brand. It's this kind of this spray because they're just gentle. You can use it anytime. You can use it before makeup to moisturize your face. You can use it afterward to set your makeup and make the powder not look so powdery, or just throughout the day put it in your refrigerator and just cool out during summer. It's great. This thing I have, like, I don't know how many I have, but I mean, it's just love, spray. Look at me. All of my sprays is here. But this is one of those very good ones. Tried and true. A lot of people love it. And then the next thing that I want to show you is a Boscia Get Recycled. Put it back into one of the baskets. This is a Boscia Makeup Breakup Cool Cleansing Oil. So maybe when you use the oil, it cools you down. You can probably feel a cooling sensation just because the herb that they put in. That's why it has a little bit of color, kind of green, some like some green color from their ingredient that comes in. So this is your oil cleanser. If you wear makeup, you will need a good oil cleanser before you use your foam cleanser. So these, you will find it very handy. All right, so Boscia. So that was your basket number 3. All right, so I want to show you basket number 4. It is a Becca. This is a Becca, a travel size Becca Hydra Mist. A lot of people love this powder, including myself. It is like so, I don't know how what kind of technology is that? When you put on your powder, it's like so cooling. It feels your spraying your face with your mist. I don't know how they do it, but it's great. And the powder is very fine. It doesn't give you a like a cakey powdery look, but it does set your face. It's just like kind of blurring. I don't know how to describe it, but I actually really like this powder. So there is a travel size because I already have a full size, so I don't really want to open this up, and so I save it for you guys. And the second product in this basket is a Juice Beauty. I am really loving Juice Beauty, and it is a very good brand, right? It's a very good brand, and I actually bought their 2-in-1 stem cell cleanser made into my top 10 skincare product 2019. This is not a cleanser. This is an age-defying moisturizer. All right, so also has their ingredients, green apple. Anyway, it says that it creates a brighter and smoother looking complexion with this clinically proven age-defying moisturizer that combines certified organic botanic juice with a powerful antioxidant cocktail of alpha lipoic acid. I love that. The Ordinary has that product. Alpha lipoic acid, CoQ10, and vitamin C. So great ingredient in this moisturizer, age-defying moisturizer. All right, so these are the 2 in the last basket, number 4. All right, so there are some very goodie in there too, but I'm gonna put it away for now. So now let's go to pick our awesome beauty subscriber for this Friday, and then wow, yeah, Yeah, so because I don't want to like repeat myself, but anyway, thank you so much, you guys. Thank you, everyone out of you. Over 300 of you sitting there watching my video, supporting my channel. You have my sincere gratitude. Thank you so much. And this week, I already picked out our awesome beauty subscriber. Let's see. Should I wait? No, it's okay. I'll just look at it. I can't believe it. She is one of the first few subscribers to my channel. Really, one of the few, if not the number one, maybe number two, or maybe number three. I remember her so well. She subscribed to my channel and she's still with us today, and she's always watching my video and sending us comments. And she herself has a channel, and she introduced her subscribers to my channel, and a lot of you know her so very, very well. I can't believe it. So you might already, if you're watching, you might already guess it is you, Jessica. Congratulations. I can't believe Makeup by Jessica. Yes, you are one of the first subscribers in my channel, and then after that you started your channel, and then boom, you just like skyrocketed. Congratulations, and you're doing so well on your channel. And Jessica has a channel that she does a lot of makeup, and she's very, very talented with the makeup. When I showing you the palette, I said that somebody can use green, purple, blue, pink, red, whatever on their crease. She is one of them. Jessica, you saw your name down here. Congratulations. I can't believe it. But anyway, all right, so congratulations and thank you so much, you guys. And Jessica, please remember to write me and email me. My email is down below, you know the drill. Write me an email and give me your address. Also, please pick your basket. You know that, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 of those, and pick it and let me know, and then I can ship it out to you. So thank you so very much. I think this is fun to do, right? Yeah, this is fun. I think so. But anyway, Jessica, one more time, I congratulate you and thank you so much for supporting my channel. Even though you're so busy with your own channel, but you still always come over, watch our videos, share with us, send us your comments. You're the best. All right, so thank you so very much, everybody. Okay, don't forget to be the star of the show, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And make sure you come back for next Friday. Maybe your name will show up. All right, good luck. Thank you.